Let us now explain or understand the key real estate asset classes. Have you heard industry experts talk about residential versus commercial versus multifamily and felt totally lost on where to start? Most new investors get stuck trying to compare apples to oranges and end up paralyzed, missing out on the potential deals. And by mastering the unique characteristics and ROI profiles of each asset class, you will confidently pinpoint the right investment vehicle, whether that's a Dubai villa for steady appreciation or a US apartment building for reliable cash flows. Let's break it down. Here is our game plan for today. We'll define each asset class: residential, single family homes, condos, townhomes, commercial, office, retail, and industrial, multifamily that has apartments and complexes, alternative student housing, self storage, etc. We'll have an interactive prompt and we'll leverage ChatGPT to list pros and cons of a 3 bedroom Dubai Marina villa. So, starting with residential properties. Residential properties are what most people think of first. Single family homes tend to appreciate steadily. Condos and townhomes offer lower maintenance. HOA takes care of exteriors but can have HOA fees. For an example, a 2 bedroom condo in downtown Dubai often sees 5 to 6% of annual appreciation and gross yields around 7%, according to the Bayouth listings. Commercial includes office spaces, long leases 3 to 5 plus years, stable income but higher vacancy risk in downturns. Retail depends on foot traffic. COVID showed the risk if malls close. Industrial, warehouses and logistics, currently one of the hottest sectors globally with cap rates of around 6 to 8% in the US, as per the 2024 report. A small office unit in JLT, that is Jumeirah Lake Towers, can command 100 to 120 dirhams per square feet annually, with triple net leases shifting most operating expenses to tenants. Multifamily means multiple units under one roof, offers economies of scale, one roof, multiple tenants. Typically lower vacancy risk per unit. For an example, in Houston, a 50 unit apartment building might yield a 7 to 9% cash on cash return, per CBRE's 2024 multi-family market snapshot. Alternative asset classes include student housing, high demand near universities, seasonal turnover, self-storage, recession resilient, low overhead. Others like senior living, data centers and parking garages. An example of this could be self-storage in Dubai, can yield 8 to 10% net per Colliers International. Now let us look at an interactive prompt with ChatGPT interface graphic. Copy this prompt into ChatGPT and hit send. List the pros and cons of investing in a 3 bedroom villa in Dubai Marina. Consider rental demand, transaction costs, and regulatory factors, and see the output. You will use it later to tailor your investment strategy. Let's copy this, open a new window, and open ChatGPT, and we copy and paste. List the pros and cons of investing in Dubai. So here we get the pros of investing and the cons of investing. Going on to cool. So different asset classes excel in different markets. Understanding their distinct risk and return profiles is the first step to building a balanced portfolio. Run the ChatGPT prompt and paste your AI generated pros and cons in your Module 1 workbook. Compare those with the mini case ROI figures we have covered until now, and share one surprising pro or a con in the course discussion. Let's learn from each other's insights.